Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett, the Love Encore Delivery Specialist for Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm back again with another tech tip for you. So, the automotive industry as a whole is moving towards wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And Subaru is no different. They are getting that into the Outback, Legacy, and the Ascent so far. Now, something I've been seeing is people having some difficulties with getting it up and running on their car's touchscreen. So today, that's what we're going to talk about and give you some tips to be able to use those. Now, for an iPhone user, when you are pairing your phone to the car, you'll have an option where it might ask on your phone to enable the wireless Apple CarPlay. And if you don't do that, maybe you miss it or something like that, you can go back. You just have to go into your phone and your settings and your Bluetooth, and you'll find the list of devices that your phone has been connected to. You want to pick the car from the list, and at the top you should see an option that'll say like wireless Apple CarPlay. Just make sure you have that enabled. Now, if you're someone like me who has an Android-based phone, once you have your phone paired to the car, you can go into Android Auto on your phone in the settings, and there is a setting. If you scroll down the list, you'll find a wireless Android Auto setting. Just make sure that's enabled. So there's a couple quick tips for you. Now we're going to hop inside a car, and I'm going to show you another tip on the car's head unit to make sure you have those things enabled so you can use them when you're on the car. Okay, now the place you want to go on the touch screen is on the bottom right. It's this icon right here that looks like a couple phones with a gear symbol on top of it. So let's hit that. And this is a shortcut to bring up manage devices. So it's going to show you that any of the devices you have paired to the vehicle. Now, as you can see, I have my phone, my S22 Ultra is paired to the car right now. So what I can do is touch that, and then right here you're going to see your connection preferences. So as you can see, right here is my wireless Android Auto, and you want to make sure that's enabled if you plan to use that here on the car's head unit. Now, a thing with iPhones that I've been seeing with customers that have iPhones is the iPhones don't let you have Bluetooth on and Android, or excuse me, Apple CarPlay on at the same time. I've noticed that. You can either do one or the other. So apparently if you have an Android-based device like what I have, apparently you can have both on at the same time. But that's the big key. If you're going to use those wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Autos, you want to make sure that you have it enabled right there on the touchscreen. So there you go. There's some tips to help you out with using the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Those are two great features, the wireless, that I just love about those. And I can't wait to see them be adopted more widespread across the entire automotive industry. So it's awesome. Now, this Outback that I'm standing behind that I use for today's video is a 2023. It's a pre-owned, but it is an Outback Touring. And as of the time of the filming of this video, it is available. So if you're interested in checking out this particular car or our inventory just in general, I will put the web address to our dealership here up on the screen. That way you can see it and you can check out any of the inventory that we have if you want to. So thank you so much for watching this tech tip today. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and also ring that bell. That way you know when I'm posting new content. And I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channels. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers. That is the goal for 2023. I'd really appreciate it. Now, as always, if you have a question about your Subaru, maybe there's something you're wondering about, feel free to put a comment in the comment section down below this video. And who knows, I might make a video about that. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.